Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you guys how to create an auto subscribe link on YouTube so that whenever anyone clicks on that link, they'll be prompted to subscribe to your channel automatically. So to do this is very simple, and if you are new on this channel, this is Digital Piro, and right here we talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment if you got value. So for you to do this, you need to click on this pencil button right here. So once you click on the button, so over here you can see where we have channel URL. So go ahead and copy the link, then go to your notepad. Once you go to your notepad, then write something like this: question mark sub underscore confirmation equals to 1. Can you see that? Question mark sub underscore confirmation equals to 1. Once you've written this out, then paste the link you just copied from your YouTube in front of it. Then we will have something like this. So with this particular link, if anybody clicks on it, they will be prompted to subscribe to your channel. So once anybody clicks on the link, they'll be asked to subscribe to your channel. So let's copy this and go and try it out so you get to see what I'm saying. So I'll click on copy. Then I'll go to my browser to paste the link and open it. So once I open the link right here, let me paste it. So I'll click on search. So you get to see what I'm saying, guys. You get to see the magic. Are you seeing, guys? Are you seeing? It is asking me to subscribe to the channel right here. So I'll just go ahead and click on subscribe. And that is how people will also always subscribe to your channel. So I believe you got value, guys. Do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.